welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be going over to my boy Ian's house. We're going to go ahead and throw on this Koyorad radiator. I got my funnel, my coolant. I don't have a container to put the coolant in, so I'm probably going to have to pick that up along the way. We're at AutoZone right now. Man, looking good though.
Polo stop. All right, you're good.
All right, guys, so I got everything laid out. I got my coolant. I got my new Koyorad radiator. I got my spill-proof funnel. I did go get gaskets just in case for like the plug, so that way if it is dry rotted, I can just change it out. I got the bin, some gloves, just waiting for the vehicle to cool down, and we'll start this process. We're making progress. We got the radiator out. Pretty simple, pretty simple. Hoses, clamps. I think I had a fat leak right underneath this neck right here, so thank God I went ahead and got one of these. All this coolant here is what I was smelling. So right now I'm gonna disconnect the fans, throw them on the new one, and then we're gonna go ahead and drop this back in. All right, people, so I just took the temp sensor out of the old radiator, and right now I'm looking at this gasket and it kind of looks kind of sketchy, so I'm gonna replace it. I did get the O-rings kit from AutoZone, so I'm just gonna replace it with one of these. All right, so these grommets, they're from underneath the old radiator. Make sure you put these on because you're gonna hear a whole lot of banging around if you don't. So just put these on. It's probably a good idea to get some new ones, but honestly, I'm just gonna send it and throw these on, so yeah.
Seconds later.
But we got the radiator fully in. I went ahead and cleaned up this front bar here. Looks a little bit better. So now basically got all the sensors plugged in. We're gonna throw coolant in here and then start it up, and hopefully it doesn't overheat.
A few moments later.
So we got everything bolted on. It took a little while to pretty much burp the system because the last person that I thought took care of it didn't. They kind of just half-assed and only put a certain amount of coolant in. So when I took the hose out, I was expecting coolant to come out, but there was really nothing. It was kind of dry. So I let the system burp for about, I don't know, I want to say like 30 minutes, maybe a little bit more. Shut it off. We went to grab something to eat, and then temperature was reading normal. So everything is bolted on. I filled the reservoir to max. No leaks, so everything is good. And I want to fix this ground wire possibly today. Maybe we could do that because that looks kind of crazy. All right, guys, so I made it back home. Thank you for making it to the end of the video, guys. I really appreciate it. I didn't quite put the wire on, but I did get it crimped at O'Reilly's. So thank you to the gentleman at O'Reilly's for helping me crimp this wire so I can plug it in later. Next thing up is gonna be rotors and brake pads. So be on the lookout for that video. Oh, giveaway. So the giveaway is gonna be happening June 1st at 6 p.m. Mountain Time. So wherever you are in the world, 6 p.m. Mountain Time, $50 giveaway for Amazon. And I'm gonna go ahead and link the video down below so that way you guys can follow the directions on that. So thanks again, guys, for your support. Go ahead and like the video if you like the video. Subscribe, hit that post notifications bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
I'm on the road, stacking my dough. I feel so dope. Dripping the blown. I'm in the sky, just like a drone. They shooting at me, I'ma shoot back. I don't go prone. You left her alone.